Hi, my name is Lauren Kieran, Director of Product Development, and I'm going to go through the process of signing up for an e-learning course. Now, before we get started, we'd like to thank you for choosing International Training's e-learning program to complete your scuba diving course academics. These programs were designed to give you a firm foundation upon which to begin your in-water training. So let's get started. Open a web browser and go to www.tdisdi.com. Once you're on the home page, select the button titled Courses. If you're utilizing a tablet or mobile device, select the navigation icon and then select Courses. Next, you'll reference the e-learning section and select Sign Up Now. Do you have a sign-up code? If so, please enter your code and then select Redeem. Your facility's information will appear on the screen. After confirming your selection and facility, you'll be asked to sign up or sign in. If you already have a user account, sign in with your username and password so your course progress is linked to your current profile. If you do not have a username and password, now you'll create one by selecting Sign Up Now. This will lead you through the process of creating a user account to get into the system. This will be your permanent system account and login information. Please do not create multiple accounts during the sign-up process. Now, if you didn't have a code and you're not affiliated with an SDI, TDI, or ERDI dive facility, no problem. You can sign up right now and the system will help you find a dive facility in your area. To get started, select an e-learning course and then select Register. You will be prompted to choose a new dive facility. Select a country, select a state, and then select Search. Now you'll see a list of dive facilities you can accept. When you find the one you're looking for, select Sign Up with Facility. On the following screen, confirm your selection. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in to your existing user account or create a new one. Now that you're signed in to your user profile, you can confirm your course selection again, and then you'll be prompted to complete a waiver, then complete the medical questionnaire. Since you're signing up without an e-learning code, your next step is to select the payment method. You can choose credit card or PayPal, and then select Submit to move forward. It should be noted, if you have a code, you should not be prompted to input payment information. Moving forward without a code, your next step is to input your billing information, review over the terms, and then select Submit. Now you're ready to start your course. Once you've successfully signed up for a course, the system will redirect you to your main e-learning page. The course you just signed up for will appear in the table labeled Courses in Progress. To enter the course, highlight it, and then select Go to Course. We wish you luck in your next e-learning course. If you have any questions or comments, please direct them to worldhq@tdisdi.com or give us a call. Thank you for joining us. Have a nice day.